Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, running boards, power steering, cruise control, compass, clock, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.